Looks like China is in a mood to dominate every aspect, starting from the border dispute with India by bringing in armed forces. Not only this, doing exercises near places which makes other countries unhappy. The latest update in this particular video is regarding the military exercise which China is conducting for 5 days starting July 1st, 2020. Yes, China announced last week that it had scheduled military exercises starting from July 1, 2020 near the Paracel Islands, which are claimed by both Vietnam and China. It did not say exactly where the exercises were being conducted in the South China Sea, which extends for some 1,500 kilometers and 90% of which is claimed by China despite the protests by its neighbors. The Brunei, Malaysia, the Philippines, Taiwan, and Vietnam also lay claim to parts of the South China Sea, through which about $3 trillion of trade passes every year. These countries have also criticized the planned Chinese drills, warning that this could create tension in the region and impact Beijing's relationship with its neighbors. Another surprising fact is that it's not just China, even United States' 2 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers were conducting exercises in the disputed South China Sea on Saturday. The 2 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers which I'm mentioning here is USS Ronald Reagan and USS Nimitz aircraft carriers. The United States supercarriers are reported to be crossing the Luzon Strait, the strait which is between Taiwan and Luzon Island of the Philippines, and this connects the Philippine Sea to the South China Sea. According to the United States defense sources, the purpose to conduct these exercises is to show a clear signal to the United States partners and allies that they are committed to regional security and stability. The United States Navy remains mission ready and globally deployed. The dual carrier operations demonstrate United States commitment to the regional allies and also the United States ability to rapidly mass the combat power in the Indo-Pacific region. Not only this, it also states the readiness to confront all those who challenge international norms and that support the regional stability. So these were the comments from the United States defense sources for conducting the exercises in the disputed South China Sea. Another country which is unhappy with the China's drill happening is Japan. Japan, which has raised its deployment around its Senkaku Islands that China eyes, has been upset with Beijing over its practice of sending its ships to the Senkaku Islands. Since April this year, Japan has spotted around 67 Chinese Coast Guard ships near the islands in the East China Sea. So that was a quick update regarding China and United States performing military drills near the South China Sea, and also we saw which are the countries which is unhappy with these type of exercises. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.